We humans are very susceptible to narrow framing. We have a tendency to see our choices as binary. For example, should I go to a party or should I help my mom clean up the house? Should I go to Domino's or Pizza Hut? This is how we unknowingly narrow our choices. We make decisions on the basis of what we see in our spotlight. To widen your options, we need to move that spotlight around the stage. An easy way to broaden your choices is to have the spirit of separating your choices with and, not or. It is very strange, but 90% of the times when we make a critical decision, we do less research than when we are looking for a hotel. Very few of us will consult before choosing a college major, but all of you would check the movie reviews before watching it. We have a tendency to look from the inside, which is our evaluation of our specific situation. For example, when planning to start a new business, we often make assumptions that it might work if I do XYZ. This is the inside view. A smart businessman will see the facts, observe the industry, and consult someone who is already into that business. This is what we call the outside view. The outside view is more accurate, as it is a summary of real-world situations, whereas the inside view is just based on our impressions. Just before starting that exciting new business or choosing a college major which will decide your career, take a moment and test first. Rather than jumping in head first, dip a toe in. Before hiring that new employee, test him not by an interview, but by engaging him for a few days. Imagine how it would be if Olympic athletes were selected on the basis of an interview. Remember that we all are terrible predicting the future. You will always have that gut feeling in the beginning that I know this. But dear, life is full of surprises. Short-term emotions forces us to make decisions that are bad in the long term. That double chocolate chip cookie might be very satisfying right now, but in the long term, it'll make you fat. Really scared of approaching your crush? What if she rejects me? What if she makes fun of me? What if she insults me? These questions pop up in all of our minds, but we just move on and regret later. But just think it this way. How would you feel 10 minutes after rejection from your crush? How about 10 months from now? How about 10 years from now? This principle makes every decision very simple. Now, I just want you to make a very simple decision. Would you subscribe my channel for more insightful videos?